Take apart a Danby refrigerator. First remove the screws. Then you pop off the door. Remove the other bolts. Then tabs. Pull the door off. Then you're going to get something to jack it up for the bottom. I use this foam here. Like so. Then you remove the feet. Then you got 3 bolts underneath. Then you swap the peg sides. Then you're gonna put on this side so this peg is going on that side. You're gonna need a 8mm and a flathead. Take this off like so. Stick it on the opposite side like so. And screw your nuts back in. Screw the leg back in. Add the little peg. Add the other foot. Go back to the door. You're going to take this off. Put that there. Then you're going to flip it over. Swap that there. Now you're going to set the door there. And remove these tabs. Put them there. There was a little screw where that gray tab was at. Put that screw there. Put that in. Add this bracket. Upper bracket here. You just swap that to there. Sorry, you gotta put the door on first. Then the bracket. Gotta swap these out. Side, side. Jumped a little ahead of myself, but this is what it should look like. Then put the door up. Make sure your sleeves are on. And that's how you swap the doors on a Danby refrigerator.